Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Welcome back to my shop. This video is about how Subarus are funny, and it's about the rear wheel bearings. I bought this one as a project car, and it had many problems. One of them is head gasket leaking on the driver's side and the passenger rear wheel bearing bad. Well, guess what? 2001 Forester S, right? This is 2002 Forester S, 2001 Forester S. I see today first time has the same problem. It has a blown or heavily leaking head gasket on the driver's side. And guess what? I was driving it around the building just to get it here, and I heard the wheel bearing humming. Well, guess from where it is. Let me show you really quick. So here is the driver side, right? Absolutely no noise and absolutely zero play in this wheel. Well, let me show you the passenger side. Alright, we are recording. Do you hear that? There's a huge play in this one. Now that Impreza 2002 Impreza RS has a zero play, but it's humming like crazy, right? It's super loud at any speeds, especially on the highway. This one, I didn't drive it yet, didn't test drive it yet. Do you hear that? This bearing is kaput. Oh yeah. And it keeps humming the same way. So it's interesting, right? The same parts keep repeating on these cars. And it was just a quick video to show you what you expect when you are thinking about purchasing these older Subarus, right? That Impreza, which is humming, that has only 142,000 miles. This Forester has like 186, so it's older, right? You can expect these problems, but it keeps interestingly happening in the same places even. So yeah, thanks for watching and be subscribed. I have way more about Subarus coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.